I'm showing you different things that cause you to die on a monthly basis, okay? So with the coronavirus, 25 people have died per month, roughly, okay? Now check this out. Aspirin, 250 people a month die from aspirin. That's 10 times the amount of coronavirus. Look at iatrogenic deaths, 20,000. This means deaths from medical treatment, whether it's mistakes from surgery, medication, or getting some infection in the hospital that you die. 20,000 people a month die from this. And this is just in the United States. And these other ones are global, okay? Check this out. The flu, influenza, 38,000 people a month die from influenza. Look, compare this to the coronavirus. It doesn't even compare. But the news is blowing this so far out of proportion. Why don't they talk about this, or even that? Look at this. HIV virus. 49,000 people a month die from HIV. That's a little more than this, isn't it? Car accidents. 90,000 people die from car accidents. These stats dominate this number right here. Now check this out. 1 million people die from heart disease every single month. Wow, it just seems like there's a little bit of a distortion of what there should be emphasizing. And also, all the stress that's created from the news and the panic is going to cause people to get in car accidents and increase this rate, not to mention more stress for the heart. The only point I'm trying to make is you have to put things in the right proportion. Okay, so what can you do? Number one, keep your immune system really, really strong. Take more vitamin D. Also, zinc is very, very important for the immune system. If you're in an area that's vulnerable to viruses, wear a mask. Wash your hands. Limit the exposure. Next thing I would do is I would get on a healthy keto plan, nutrient-dense foods. I would do fasting. That would be very, very important. And the last thing, limit the amount of news that you watch that keeps your adrenals so revved up and stressed, so that way you can keep your stress at a good level. Thanks for watching.